Ngatho muno ni undu wa gucoka motion ici iratwarwo bunge cia kuongerera miaka ya president nginyagia 7 years ni ciatuma President William Ruto akorwo akianikwo nginyaga makiria kana hihi arenda gukorwo akirule bururi for a long time, na ni kuona President Ruto aragia kana promisag Kenya one thing na ageka exactly the opposite. Example ekire how he promised to protect his deputy after maria akigereire moko-ini ma President Uhuru Kenyatta and even did worse to his deputy Rigathi Gachagua. Nikio gitumi kia Akenya gukorwo magiciki kiongo riria maigua uria President Ruto aria ni undu wa motion ino igitwaritwo bunge ya kuongerera miaka ya president nginyagia 7, na koguo senator wa Kiambu Karungo has exposed President William Ruto kana hihi arakwenda gukorwo akirule for a long time, na aragitumira miario ino yake just gukorwo agichanganya Akenya niguo ke kumagaruruka thutha, kuona riria Ichung'wa akorirwo akiaria na kuga ati we ndaretikirania na motion iyo. Akenya ni makorirwo makiregana nake makimwira matingimwitikia ona hanini. President Ruto few hours ago akorwo promise Kenyans that he will or he is not supporting this constitutional change, na Kenyans are having a hard time wetikia President Ruto kuona Kimani Ichung'wa his biggest supporter auma wa mbere kuruga na kuga ati he is not supporting the motion, na kuona Ichung'wa ni ekete maundu maingi matumite Akenya makoro makiaga trust nake, makoro makiuga aya ere no gukorwo no guthakira marathakira Akenya niguo Akenya metikia ati they are not supporting and later moke magaruruke. Karungo who has tabled a different motion to reduce a term cia president na other elected leaders to 4 years akorwo explain what the 7-year presidential term means, akiuga the president will go for 14 years if elected for a second term, and that means oguthoma primary urikie uthie secondary urikie to campus when that president is still in power, na angikorwo ni agugukungia wara wa mucagura ria mbere ahote gukorwo akiingiria to a second term, ugukorwo ukirurwo ni president omwe miaka 14 ukiendaga no takwenda. Why are Kenyans doubting President Ruto? Ni kiuria Karungo wa Thang'wa akorwo explain akiuga ati President Ruto ni akoretwo agika maundu maiganona matumite Akenya metikia ati augaga kaundu kamwe na ageka exactly the opposite, koguo ke gukorwo akiuga ati he is not supporting these constitutional changes, yet andu hakuhi nake nio maratable this motion in parliament. Ni kiundu kiratuma Akenya makoro
matters changing the constitution. I want to tell you that the discussion on changing the constitution for parochial, selfish, personal matters is no space to go. I want to be very clear that as president, I will not participate in mutilating the constitution for purposes of serving selfish, personal, parochial interests.